Well, we are learning new details about a water main that broke on Grand Rapids Southeast Side last night.
The city became aware of the break from a city employee who lives in the area. This is all in the same neighborhood as the massive water main break from back in June that left neighbors there with thousands of dollars worth of damages.
News 8's Adriana Doria joins us live from where crews were working today. Adriana.
Brian, Sue, yet another headache for neighbors here on Grand Rapids Southeast Side, and they're becoming all too familiar with city trucks here in their neighborhood and gaping holes on the roadway. This is a much different scene than we saw even just in the last couple of hours. The road is now reopened and this has been repaired, but yet another water main break in the same area as back in June. This one a different pipe, but still the same area and affecting a lot of those same homes. Now, we were learning this all started around 8 o'clock last night at the corner of Allerton and Adams here. The city spokesperson tells us that this is a 6-inch crack to one of the pipes here that kind of created this trickle down effect of water last night and into parts of this morning. Now, because this happened in the evening hours, the city didn't want to work overnight, so this water kind of continued trickling down all night, and then they started working on it this morning and throughout the entire day. That city spokesperson also confirmed there weren't any major interruptions, but some people's water did have to be turned off so that they could make these repairs. Now, again, you may remember this from back in June. Again, same area but different pipe this time, but affecting a lot of those same homes. And those neighbors are telling me they feel like they're reliving this all over again, seeing those trucks outside of their windows, and nothing is getting any better.
You know, initially when I saw them last night, I just wanted to cry because I said, oh my God, am I going to flood again? That's what I thought initially. And then when I saw the water, it was like water cascading down the street. Our hearts sunk because I said, I can't afford to go through this again. But that's what those trucks remind you of.
Now, the city did confirm this road is back reopened. This has been repaired. The hole is filled and everyone's water has been restored. But again, still a headache for people who are already reeling with the damages from back in June. And now they potentially could have some more. We'll have more from those neighbor reactions coming up at 10 and 11. But for now, live in Grand Rapids, I'm Adriana Doria, News 8.